how to create breakout rooms in the Zoom meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create breakout rooms in your Zoom meeting. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Zoom call, then you need to go to the more option at the bottom and you can see breakout rooms. Click on it, and here you can see uh, various rooms, like you can rename the room, and then you can assign people in the meeting. Similarly, you can add rooms, you can assign more people, you can even recreate. You can recreate as many rooms as you want. You can choose assign automatically, assign manually, or let participants choose room. So it's as simple as that, as you can see. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.